In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off background app refresh. To turn off background app refresh on your iPhone, this is what you can do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So let's tap on general here. So once you tap on general, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where it says background app refresh. So I want you to tap on that background app refresh. So once you tap on the background app refresh, it will bring up this page for you. So on this page, if you check the top, you are going to see where it says background app refresh. I want you to tap on that background app refresh. So once you tap on the background app refresh, it will load up this page entirely for you. So once you get to this page, this is what I want you to do. As you can see, this is already on Wi-Fi and mobile data but we are here to turn this off. Just want to tap on off. Once you tap on off, the background app refresh will be turned off successfully on this iPhone. So guys, this actually saves data and battery on your iPhone. So that is why it is also good to turn it off. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off the background app refresh on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.